Alright, the Zippo truck stopped by for a second today, but first I got a hold of this Entertainment Weekly special edition on Leonard Nimoy, and it's remembering the man behind Spock. It's all about his career. It's got all kinds of good pictures, especially from his Star Trek stuff, but it goes through his career and some good stories, a lot of good pictures. It's an excellent magazine for a keepsake. So that's the Spock edition from Entertainment Weekly. So let's take a look at this Zippo. Now this one arrived in the plain old Zippo black box, and it is labeled Zippo Script. Nothing special about the box, but this is a pretty nice Zippo, highly engraved, with all kinds of Zippo. It's the same script, just a bunch of them. Now this is on a chrome-plated brass body. I think that's street chrome, but I don't know. And it was made in, looks like L of 13 in Bradford, PA. Fires up real nice. So this is the engraving on the front. Now the silver ones are all just into the chrome plating, and this one down here is all the way through the chrome plate into the brass body. It's a real nice one. Be a good introduction for anybody to Zippo lighters. Be a good EDC Zippo. Got a good sound. Steel insert. That is the script, Zippo Script. Pretty good Zippo. And that deserves just a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.